Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your username on Twitter. So if you want to change your username on Twitter, then it's pretty simple. So I'll show you guys exactly how to change your username on Twitter. But first things first, before you do anything else, you want to make sure that your Twitter app is actually all the way updated. You can do that by going to the App Store or the Google Play Store and searching for Twitter and making sure that the button doesn't say update, but it says open. Once you do that, you can head over to the Twitter app. You'll be brought to this page here. Just click on your profile picture in the top left corner, and the profile username that I'm talking about is right below the actual name of your account. As you can see, my name is Tubasa, but my username is Tubasa Tech. So if you want to change your name, you just click on the three dots in the top right corner of your profile, and then you can change it however you want. But if you want to change your username, it's a little bit more complicated. So to change it, you just go back to your home page, click on your profile picture in the top left corner. If you click on that, you'll be brought to this page here. You want to scroll down until you see the settings and support option. Once you click on that, look for the settings and privacy option. If you find the settings and privacy option, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to the settings and privacy page. And on the settings page, it's actually just called the settings page, but on this page you want to look for your account. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen as well. So just look for the your account option, and once you find it, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to this page here, and here you want to find the option that says account information. Once you find account information, you want to click on it, and then it will bring you to the account information page. On this page, to edit your username, you just click on username, as you can see, which is the top option for me. If you click on it, it'll ask you if you want to update your username. So you click on username, and it'll ask if you really want to update it. You just click confirm and put in whatever you want your new username to be. So you can't take a username that's already been taken, and it has to be longer than four letters, I'm pretty sure. But as you can see, this option right here is taken. So you have to find a new username that isn't already taken. And once you find a new username that isn't already taken, you just click done in the top right corner, and it will save your new username. So it will load for a bit, and it will save it. So as you can see, if I go back to my profile, it will now say my new username instead of my old username. As you can see here, it has now changed, and that is how you update your username. Now you can still switch right back to your old username if you don't like your new username. Just be warned that people can take your username if you get rid of it. So if you switch your username and somebody else used your old username while you had your new username, and you tried to go back to it, you wouldn't be able to go back to it. But that is how you change your username on Twitter. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.